How to add your other name to your Facebook information. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add your other name, for example your nickname, to your Facebook information. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app, and here click on those three lines up there to get to this page. Click now on the setting icon beside the search icon up there. Scroll down until you find profile information. Now all you need to do is scroll down and you're gonna find add another name. Now you have this one. Click on it to change if it is your nickname or middle name or married name or your father's name, whatever it is. Now click on name and just write your name and click on show at the top of profile if you want, and click on save if you are done. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.